Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Celero5G SC for Boost Mobile. So the Celero5G SC is a new budget smartphone for Boost Mobile. It is now available in the Astro carbon color that they're showing here on screen. 64 gigabytes of storage. It's $9.99 when you put your number of the Boost Mobile, I guess, or it's $109.99. Full retail price, definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested. Yeah, this is Boost Mobile's third Celero5G phone of 2024, which is very interesting. It looks like the 2024 Celero5G phone, so this one's a bit cheaper than this two phones, but definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested. So so that is front and back of the Celero5G SE. You guys got your teardrop notch with front facing camera. It's right here where my mouse is. It's kind of hard to see that. You guys want an earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone, there's a dual camera setup, camera flash, Celero5G logo on back. That's the front. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side of the phone has your volume keys, power button / fingerprint sensor. Back of the phone, dual camera setup, camera flash, Celero5G branding. There's the back. There's the left side once more. So I wonder what does SC stand for. If you guys know what SC stand for, let me know. Does it stand for anything, or is it just two random letters? Kind of interesting to ask. So anyways, the Celero5G SC has a 6.6 inch display, 50 megapixel main camera, 43 hours of talk time, Android 14 on board. It says here, introducing the Celero5G SC, a budget-friendly 5G phone with lightning-fast connectivity and Boost Max audio technology. Featuring a sleek design, vibrant 6.6 inch display, dual main cameras, 50 megapixel autofocus, plus a 2 megapixel depth camera on back, and a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, perfect for budget-conscious users seeking seamless streaming and an outstanding audio experience at an affordable price. And you definitely get that with this phone here. Features: Smart Connect to the max. Celero5G SC. You guys have two colors. You guys have an Astro carbon color, which is being shown on the video here, and you guys also have a white color as well. So that's pretty cool. Vibrant 6.6 inch Full HD plus display. Experience captivating visuals with the expansive 6.6 inch HD plus display. Its smooth refresh rate enhances gaming, streaming, and browsing, ensuring silky smooth transitions for an immersive viewing experience. So it says it's Full HD plus display. Then you read the little paragraph, it says HD plus display. It's probably a 720p display. So for the price that you're paying for this phone, don't expect like the greatest display ever, but we'll still see when we get to the specs. Alright. Capture, create, and share. Capture every moment with the advanced camera system of the Celero5G SE. A main 50 megapixel autofocus, plus a 2 megapixel depth, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Whether landscapes, group shots, or selfies, express your creativity and document experiences with impressive clarity and detail. Unparalleled audio. Experience Boost Max audio for a new dimension of sound, from electrifying gaming to cinematic storytelling. Enjoy unparalleled clarity, depth, and resonance, guaranteeing total sonic immersion and unmatched audio experience and unmatched audio excellence exclusive to the Celero5G family. So that's pretty cool. Seamless streaming. Connect smartly with the Celero5G SE. Seamlessly switch between email streaming and gaming with remarkable fluidity. The powerful processor ensures smooth performance for resource-intensive applications, keeping up with your fast-paced life. They're playing a racing game there. I don't know what the racing game is. If you guys know what the racing game is, let me know down in the comments below. Long-lasting 5,000 milliamp battery. Experience lasting power with the Celero5G SC's 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage without worries. Whether streaming, gaming, or emailing, it provides reliable performance, keeping you connected throughout your day, hassle-free. Charger included in box. You do get a charging brick in the box, which is very nice to see, right? Uncompromising security. The Celero5G SE features advanced biometric security, a fingerprint sensor, and facial recognition technology for highly secure personal data experience, convenience, and peace of mind, with modern security features protecting your data. So you do get both facial recognition and the fingerprint sensor, so that is very nice features to have in a budget phone, right? What's included with the Celero5G SE is Celero 5G SE smartphone, Type C to Type C charging cable, charging brick, SIM ejection tool, quick start guide. And where's the specs? I guess I don't have none. It's kind of weird, right? So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Celero5G SE is now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $199.99 full retail price. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Celero5G SE is worth checking out. It does have great specs and features for what it is. Definitely worth checking out. Like I said, two color options: this color, the carbon color, and a white color. So you guys have options for colors, and then it comes with the charging brick in the box. It does not mention nothing about specs. I will have that link. I'll try to find specs for this phone, and I'll have them linked below. I'll try to find specs for this phone. Surprised it does not have specs listed for this phone. So, it does give you some specs for the phone, but I'm sure you guys want like the full detailed specs on this phone before you guys think about getting this phone or whatever the case may be. But like I said, I'll try to have specs linked below if I can find specs on this phone. So, yeah, very nice looking phone. Definitely worth checking out. And yeah, this is Boost Mobile's third Celero phone of 2024, which is very interesting. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it has my own luck, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.